Hey, I'm Lisa, and I'm the creator of 2x Edge Staples. I'm going to be installing some white edging today, made with our Picket White Fence 2x Edge staples and some 2x4 lumber that I've stained white. But first, people have asked me how easy is it really to move and reuse the staples. So we're going to start out by deconstructing a 2x Edge installation that I did years ago, about 3 years ago. These are the rustic steel staples, so these are staples that will rust in place with time. And as you can see, it does take a little bit of work to get them out, but basically what you want to do is just leverage them out, and then it's a quick process to remove and then start fresh. Okay, moving on. I've got some 2x4s, they're pressure treated lumber that I actually used a water-based stain. This is not paint, it's a water-based stain to turn them all white, and then I'm gonna just quickly install them with Picket Fence White 2x Edge staples. These are our powder coated staples. They're UV rated, anti-corrosion. They'll last a long time, made out of 16 gauge steel, and these always go in so quickly with just some taps with a 16-ounce rubber mallet, and you're done. Okay, now I'm noticed that the boards in the front here dip down in the middle. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab a couple of really sturdy sticks and I'm going to work them underneath, and then I've got some topsoil to kind of backfill underneath those two boards and get everything nice and firm and level. Next, I'm just touching up this water-based stain. 2x Edge edging comes together really quickly. You can do any customization you like. Paint your boards any color. We've got lots of different color staples for you to choose from. Thanks for taking a look. Take care.